Can you see another person's hidden friend list on Facebook? Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to find out if that is possible or not. So the first thing that you want to do is simply open up your Facebook app and then make sure that you are logged in. Then from here on out, you're just going to head over to the profile where you want to see their friend list. So let me just head over to my profile and head over to my friend list. So if I want to see this person's friends, as you can see, there is no option to see it because they have hidden it, and you can do the same. So unfortunately, there is no active way to see the person's hidden friend list on Facebook. So if they have allowed you to see their friend list, only then you can see it. Otherwise, there is no option to do it. So if you want to hide your own friend list, you can go ahead and do it by tapping on the settings icon. Scroll down until you see how people will find you under audience and visibility. And on this section right here, all you need to do is tap on who can see your friend list. And if you set this to your friends, only your friends can see your friend list. If you set this to public, everyone on or off Facebook will be able to see it. And if you set this to only me, no one else will be able to see it except you. So that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to tap on the save option and you should be good to go. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.